The lion, known as the Lord of the Forest, is one of the symbols of power and strength in the animal world. They usually inhabit African grasslands and forests, but there are also small populations living in Asian jungles, such as in India. With their majestic appearance and outstanding hunting ability, lions not only attract human attention, but also play an important role in the ecosystem. Let's explore the beauty and life of this special animal in the natural world. Lions live in groups, which makes them more unique than other big cats, such as tigers or leopards, which often live alone. A pride of lions usually consists of 10 to 15 individuals, including female lions, young lions, and a few adult male lions. Female lions in the pride are the main members responsible for hunting and taking care of their young. Male lions with thick, dark manes are often considered stronger, better able to attract mates, and pose a deterrent to enemies. Female lions, although without a mane, possess a slender and agile physique, allowing them to become excellent hunters in the pride. With an average height of about 1.2 meters and a weight of up to 250 kilograms in male lions, they are truly giants of the jungle. They often work closely together to hunt large prey, such as antelope, zebra, or buffalo. Their teamwork skills are amazing, demonstrating great intelligence and coordination. Although they are formidable hunters, lions are not always successful in catching their prey. They often take advantage of early morning or dusk to hunt, when temperatures are cooler and they can easily approach their prey without being detected. Female lions often surround and ambush, while male lions will assist when needed, especially when facing large prey. However, hunting is sometimes very dangerous. Large prey can resist and injure the lion. In the jungle, the lion's roar is an iconic sound, echoing throughout the space, sometimes being heard from a distance of up to 8 kilometers. This roar is not only for communication, but also for marking territory, warning enemies or calling members of the herd. Lions' territories are often marked with urine and characteristic tracks, helping them maintain control and protect the herd from other lions or dangerous predators. However, the life of a lion in the jungle is not always easy. They face many challenges, from territorial competition, disease, to threats from humans. Illegal hunting and habitat loss are causing lion numbers to decrease over time. From hundreds of thousands a few centuries ago, today there are only about 20,000 lions left in the wild. This has spurred many conservation efforts to protect this precious species, from establishing nature reserves to educating the public about their importance in the ecosystem. The lion not only serves as an important link in the food chain, but is also a profound cultural symbol in human history. They appear in myths, legends, and art from around the world, from the reliefs of ancient Egypt to the coats of arms of many countries. The strength, courage, and dominance of lions have inspired humans for generations. The lion is not only a powerful and admirable animal in nature, but also has great significance for culture and ecology. With their majestic appearance, unique social behavior, and an important role in the living